It's a great day at Byrider. We're here with our finance manager, Ryan, to go over some common questions that people have when financing their first vehicle. Ryan, what will their payments be?
Well, that's something that I can't tell you right off the bat. Everybody's situation is different, and we try and make sure that our vehicles are going to be affordable to you.
How much will I need down?
Well, most people come in with $1,000, but we always ask that everybody come in with as much as they can scrape up. The more you have down, the better it is for you.
Will I need a cosigner?
That depends. Everybody's credit situation is different, so it's on a case-by-case basis. Some of you may need a cosigner, some of you may not.
I don't want my credit ran a whole bunch. How many times do you run my credit?
We are in luck. Unlike conventional dealerships that can run your credit multiple times, we do it once.
How long's the full process?
Generally speaking, full process can take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, including test drives.
What kind of warranty do you guys offer?
The best warranty is 48 months or 48,000 miles.
So what's the first step?
First step is coming into the location and filling out an application.
Thank you.